Double B actually developed from my wife doing belted Galloways, but we also did beefalo at one time. So you can take Double B and you can say Barb Beeler, Barb's Belties, or Barb's Beefalo, or now it's Barb's Breakfasts, if you will.
Everything's made from scratch. Most restaurants today everything tastes the same because everything is made in one location. You know, this is kind of like when I was a kid. You know, you went to the local restaurant and there was some old lady like me cooking back there, and it just kind of brings back memories. We are kind of like what farms were back in the 40s and 50s. We have a little bit of everything, and there's not many family farms left that, raise pigs, chickens, goats. When they come here, I hope they experience that they kind of know where their food comes from.